Hi there. This is still part of your Monday lesson, but I felt that it was a little long to include in the live lesson this morning. So you noticed in your assignment box that I said that you were going to learn 3 new words this week. And the first one of those words is the word soar. Can you say the word soar? Soar. Very good. A seagull can soar high in the sky. That means that it can fly up high. So soar means to fly up high. A bird, what does a bird do to soar or fly up in the sky? Yes, it flaps its wings, okay? Go ahead and flap your wings. Pretend that you are a bird and you're flying. Flap your wings, okay? Now, there are some things that can soar, and if you hear me say one of the things that soars, that can fly up high in the sky, I want you to flap your arms and say soar, all right? If it does not need to soar to get around, if it doesn't fly up high, then you're not going to flap your wings and say the word soar. Okay, so each time you hear me name something that can soar, you need to flap your wings and say the word soar. Planes, kites, rocks. Hope you didn't flap your wings for that one. Rockets, houses. Nope, that's not one that can soar. Snakes. Nope, they slither. They don't soar. Okay? Now, I want to bring something to your attention, and I'll go around behind the camera. This word soar means to fly up high, but there's a homophone, soar, S-O-R-E. They sound the same, soar and soar, but if you look at them, they're spelled differently and they have different meanings, okay? When I fly up high or something flies up high, we soar. Soar is an ache, a pain, okay? Sometimes also when we scrape our knee or our elbow, we call that a sore, all right? So soar, S-O-A-R, means to fly, okay? Soar, S-O-R-E, means that something is hurting. The spelling S-O-R-E lets us know that something is hurting. All right, I'm gonna go around this side again. And I am going to, oh, sorry about that, bring up our next word. And our next word is control. Control, the meaning of the word control is to make something or someone move or act the way you want. The boy pushes a button to control the car, okay? How many of you have ever played with a toy car that you control with a button, okay? And how that works is, in order to control or make the car move, you need to push the button. If you don't push the button, the car will not move, okay? And our last word is, our last word is depend. Depend means to need help from. The baby must depend on his mom to help him walk, all right? And we know that the baby in the picture must depend on his mom to walk because he can't walk by himself. He needs to hold on to mom's hands to walk, okay? There's other things that babies depend on moms and dads for as well. To change their diapers, to feed them. They depend on mom and dad to bathe them. They depend on a grown-up to clothe them, okay? You can do more for yourselves now than you can when you were a baby, but you still depend on your parents and other grown-ups for help. Right now, you're depending on your parents to help you do your work at home. I'm depending on your parents to help you do your work at home. Okay? So, depend, let's look at that one again, means to need help from. Okay? Control means to make something or someone move or act the way you want. And our last one, which really was our first one, is soar, which is to fly up high. Okay, so soar and control and depend are our new vocabulary words for this unit. Thank you for listening and learning the 3 new vocabulary words. See you tomorrow.